Hey everybody! Today I'm here to do my Allure beauty box unboxing. I believe that this was the March box. I do know that they do where if you're a new subscriber, they'll do like the best of the last couple of boxes. So I did get some special stuff that current subscribers previously got, and so they got some different stuff. You know, they do what they can for new subscribers. So the first thing is though, there was a free like sign up bonus gift. So it was La Mer and it came with 2 little sizes, but hold on a second. Okay, I wanted to get my notebook out because I do price everything out before I do a video so I can tell you what the entire box is valued at. Both of these little sample sizes were valued at $39.40 combined. This is the La Mer Creme de la Mer Moisturizing Cream. This is a 0.12 ounce size and it's valued at $20.40 for this little size. That's amazing. So I'm super excited to try that out. And then there was also the La Mer the Concentrate. I'm sure it has like a prettier, fancier French way of saying it, but this is a 0.1 and it's $19 in value. So just those as being like bonus sign up things, amazing. And I got $5 off this box, so I only ended up spending $10. Now with that being said, this right here, okay, sorry if the camera angle changed, somebody called me and I used my phone to record. Anyways, like I was saying, the Tarte matte liquid lip paint made it absolutely worth it. I got it in the shade OG and I was actually planning on picking this up during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty and it would have been $10. So I got everything else for free for something I was already planning on buying. It ended up working out perfectly. I'm super excited for this because I ended up not picking up Rosé because I got this. It's kind of a purpley gray toned nude. Super excited for this. Can't wait to try it out. And those are valued at $20. I also got the Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. Now, this is back in the box because I do plan on gifting this or like swapping it because I don't need it. But it is super pretty and it's valued at $18, which is a great value. Super excited for this. This is the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Hair Mask. I absolutely love this. This size values at $12. I've gone through lots of little sizes and I'm pretty sure I've gone through 1 or 2 of this size as well. I would definitely recommend this because it is something that I've used before. So I was super excited for that. And I got a full-size Wander Beauty mascara. This is the Mile High Club mascara. I believe it retails for $26. So that's a huge value. That's awesome. I'm looking forward to trying that one out. I didn't like the last one I tried, but I will definitely try that one out. I got the Mamonde Rose Water Toner. I think everybody got this in their box. This was valued at $2.28. I do believe a full size was like $10 maybe. $12, somewhere around there, but I am looking forward to trying this out because I do like toners. Don't love rose scented stuff, but I do like toners. I also got the Allure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. I'm excited to try this out. I don't love that the bottle's not labeled at all. Like if this bottle was just floating around somewhere, I would have absolutely no idea what it was. I get that probably keeps costs down a little bit because I don't have to pay for vinyl packaging on the outside, but I'm not a huge fan of that. That means I have to keep this box around so that I remember what it is or how to cite it. This is valued at $3.80 and it is a 0.3 ounce. I do believe that it was a 1 ounce for like $12.99, I think. So it is a cost-effective oil if it turns out to be something that we like. And then this is also still in the package because I'm going to be swapping this because I already have one, but this is the Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks, the Instant Brow, the Insta-Tint. So this is a tinted brow gel. It's got a tiny micro wand, But this is a full size and it retails for $22. So that's another huge value to this box. If you haven't had this before or don't currently have this in your collection, it is a great value. So it is a good item. I do like it. So it's definitely something to try out. I've got my little notebook down here. I spent $10 on this box and it had $143.58 worth of value, including the 2 bonus items. Without the 2 bonus items, it still would have had over $100 value for $10. So it was absolutely worth it. I do believe that they are partnering up with somebody for the next box, and it's supposed to have a Natasha Denona single shadow and an Anastasia liquid lipstick in it. So it's absolutely worth the value at $15. I did check out those teasers, so hopefully that isn't a spoiler alert for anybody else, but it was on their website when I pulled up the information on these, so they weren't trying to hide it too much. But that was everything that I got in my Allure box, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye!